good morning. So today is Saturday, March, I believe 19th. So this vlog is quite special to me because my birthday's coming up. It's my 23rd birthday on the 23rd. And today's one day that I just don't have any like studying plans. I don't have work. And my sister's back from college, so I decided to go on a little picnic with my family. But what's more special is that my coworker's friend just started a picnic business. I booked it with her and we're just gonna go to that picnic. It's a tea party themed and, you know, just celebrate my birthday there. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys like what I'm bringing to the picnic and, you know, the process and everything, how the setup is and all of that. So yeah. So I am a little bit behind on today's planning. So I have to bake the pizza, I have to put on sunscreen, I have to get ready, and I don't have any of that done. So alright, so while this is, you know, soaking in, we are going to prep the stupid pizza because I forgot about it. See, the problem is in the Asian household, we don't use an oven. It's a storage. So yeah, we have a lot of things to get rid of from the oven. Okay, so these are the pizzas I bought. I got 2 boxes. These are the cheese pizza with a cauliflower crust, and these were so good last time I went on a picnic and I packed it. It was so good, so I bought it again. Okay, so while the oven is preheating, we're just gonna start doing our makeup. So I'm gonna go in with my NARS foundation. So I'm just gonna put it on a brush. I only used this much. I'm feeling alley-oop, so I'm gonna do that. You can easily blend this with your fingers, but I personally am not a fan of using my fingers for makeup. I used to think that I could never pull off blush because I am so tan that I just thought it wouldn't show up on my skin. Okay, next up I'm going to do my eye makeup, and I suck at eye makeup. Like, I'm so bad at it, I don't even know what I'm doing. So I bought this little palette and it's from Misha. It's a Korean brand, and this is amazing because it has 3 different shades and all you need to do is like sweep and apply, and that's it. So I'm gonna attempt a little eyeliner using the alley-oop pencil. I can see it. Can you see it? I tried. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. Okay, next I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm using the Etude drawing eyebrow pencil. Okay, now I have a highlighter, and this one is from Maybelline Master Chrome in shade 100 Molten Gold. Alright, so that's really it. I guess to set things up, I'm gonna use a setting spray that I got from Haley's. It's called Refresh. Alright, so lastly, I am going to put on a lip product. Merit Beauty lip product, and I shared this in my Merit Beauty video. This is literally my favorite. I'm on a 3rd bottle. So there we go, we're all done. I feel like the setting spray is making my face burn. I'm never using this again. Oh my god. Alright, so now time for the outfit. I need to show you guys this dress, and this is something that I would never ever pick out nor wear, but for some reason this dress was calling my name. So it is this dress and it's floral print.
Jessica and floral print are not friends.
But she was calling my name because of the flounce details here, the layered flounce details. I am obsessed. The only downside is that the straps are like very short, so it's kind of like literally like up in my pit, so I might just tuck in the strap and make it like a two-top dress. So I'm gonna get changed and I'll show you guys how it looks. It is stunning. So like I said, it's literally up in my pit, so most likely gonna tuck it in, but for now I'm just gonna wear it like that. And I also don't wear anything midi, but I just, for some reason fell in love. So yeah. I think this video may be get ready with me video, but you know, those who stay are the real ones. And most importantly, I cannot leave my house without a watch because I would feel so naked and I'd cry if I didn't have a watch on. So, Daniel Wellington. Ta-da! Oh. All ready for the picnic. Lulu babe is going with us. Wow.
Lulu야.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! On the 23rd. Hi, so we are here at the location and they're still setting up, so I'm just gonna give them some time. For some reason, as soon as we got here, it got really cloudy, so I'm kind of worried. And because we're by the waterfront, it's quite windy, so... Wait, she has to go. Go with the wind. Go like this. Look at Lulu. So cute. Aww. Okay, keep taking.
룰루.
여기 좀 됐어. 와, 여기 진짜 여기 아닌 것 같지 않아요?
응.
오늘 어디
다른 집에 왔어. 배경도 뒤에도.
이 친구가 처음 사본 이 집에서 아닌가?
처음이야.
So this is the setup. We kind of messed it up after the photos, but that's okay. They have Lulu's bed, but she refuses to sit on it, so. 안녕, 지수 언니. 안녕. 브이로그 만들고 있어. And they also have 2 chairs.
뭐라 그래?
엄마 안녕.
브이로.
So, we kind of killed all the food. Alright, look at that.
몇번 촬영을 하면 그것만
Killed it.
fat asses.
Bleep!
You can bleep it out.
Bleep! Anyway. No, I ate. They were so nice to give us some birthday goodie bag, and it had this tea. It's so good. I also got Lulu baby a little donut, little toy. It's like mochi from boba. Cute, like honey jars. I have a thing for little things like this. So cute. And they put in this like nice basket. This is Kyle. OX. Oh. Yeah. 윤유 베이비 어딨죠? 여기. Oh my god.
그리고 계속 그 하다 보면은
Little babies under the table.
그걸로 할 수 없어.
Did I show you this? Puppuccino. Something that they also got us. Of course it's sunny when we're about to leave. Taking a little walk.
Yes, we are. 삼겹살 시키는데 삼겹살이 요만해. 그리고 원래까지 먹어봤는데 그때 기억이 잘 안 나. 요만한 거를 처음에 한 접시를 갖다 주는 게 세 줄인가 갖다.
Good morning, it's the... Oh wait, why is it so bright? Good morning, it's the next day. Today we're going to blow out my candle because we couldn't do that yesterday since it was super windy. Why is the A there? It's bothering me. What? How did that get there? Yeah, the A is like right there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Let me make a wish.
Wait.
Woo! Thank you for the flowers.
Okay, ready?
Wait, let me make a wish. Okay.
Okay. Yay! Happy 23rd birthday! Woo!
That's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Bye!